Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'll show you how to factory reset an Amazon Firestick. Now, there's two different ways how to factory reset your Amazon Firestick, and I'll show you them both. So first is to go into your main settings here. Then when you're in the settings, you want to come down to My Fire TV. Once you're in My Fire TV, you want to come down to Reset to Factory Defaults. And here it'll say Reset to Factory Defaults, and you want to select Reset. And it'll tell you you're about to reset your Amazon Firestick Lite, or whichever Firestick you have, to its original factory settings. Your sign-in information and personal preferences will be lost. So this is ideal to do if you're selling the Amazon Firestick. So once you press reset, the reset process will begin. Now the second way of resetting your Amazon Firestick is coming all the way back to the home screen, and once we're back on the home screen, what you want to do on your Amazon Firestick remote is hold down the right side of the navigational button and the back button, both at the same time, and you should see the navigation button spinning across the top here as it is doing. So you want to hold these down for around 10 to 15 seconds. You can let go once you see Reset to Factory Defaults. And this is the same page as we've just done through the settings. And what you want to do is come to OK, and then the reset process will begin. We'll cancel it as I don't want to factory reset my Firestick at the moment. But that's two different ways how to factory reset an Amazon Firestick. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.